Hi Glamates! It's me again, Gla, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's episode, it's another bag review, but it's not going to be a Coach, Michael Kors, Kate Spade, Tory Burch, Marc Jacobs, or ano pa ba. So today, it's a very special day because it's my first time to review a Longchamp bag. Yes, it's my first time. Ang OA. But anyways, before I start and show you the item that I would like to share, of course, you have an idea because of the title, but for the sake of this video, before I start, I just want to say thank you for those of you who just recently subscribed and watched my latest episodes. I appreciate so much the love and support. If you're new here, my name is Gla, and here in my channel, as you can see, I'm into bags, bag reviews, a little bit of beauty and travel. So if you're into it, we share the same passion, you think that my content is interesting for you, I hope you consider and subscribing and hit that bell button so that you're always notified if we have a new video. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, this is the bag that I would like to share. Ta-da! Oh my god! The color is so nice! Ang ganda-ganda ng kulay, guys. Super nice. You know, for those of you na hindi nakakaalam, sa Emily in Paris, so ginamit lang niya tong pamalengke, guys. Yeah, the yellow color na Longchamp Le Pliage Filet. So, filet, kasi pang filet, no? Joke lang. Yeah, I don't know also the reason why, because probably filet, it's like a net. So, yeah. Yun yung name nito, Longchamp Le Pliage Filet. Ang ganda-ganda ng kulay, guys. Pang summer, pang OOTD, pang beach, ganyan. Okay. In terms of price, magpo-provide na lang ako ng range. That's going to be like 6,000 to 9,000 pesos. Again, it depends on the store promotion. Okay, it comes with this tag. Felt 1860. So yeah, anything about Felt nandiyan. And their iconic Le Pliage tote. And this one is the net. And yeah, this one is cotton. Now, of course, the net. Right? And then meron siyang, this one is leather. And the hardware is in gold. This one, the button is gold. And then may nakalagay dyan, Longchamp 1940. Hala, ang labo na ng mata ko, 48. Is it? Malamang mali ako sabihin fake to. Yes, 1948. So there. Yan. I believe this one is a cowhide leather and meron siyang logo dito. And two top handles. And then meron siyang two handles. Yan. And for the length, yan, pag nakaganyan, I did measure it. That's around 15 inches sa length. And then for the height, it's 12.2 inches. So those are the measurements of this bag. Yeah. When you open the bag, wala naman, guys. As you can see inside, yun lang talaga. Very straightforward. You can just see this kung saan naka-attach yung button dito. So there. And meron lang din siyang tag here. Felt na 1860, this one. This is the care card also ng Longchamp green care card. There. So yeah, basically, that's it. Very straightforward. And then, nung inaantay ko to, guys, bumili talaga ako ng scarf kasi nakita ko sa Longchamp, ang ganda niya kapag merong scarf. At ang mahal ng scarf, mas mahal pa sa bag. That scarf alone cost 12,000 pesos. And of course, I'm not going to buy like a scarf. Parang, alam mo yun, pwede na akong bumili ng tatlong bag na yung sizes nito. Kasi may tatlong sizes to. This one is large, and then yung next would be small. Cute din yun. Like, parang, alam mo yun, crossbody bag lang. Lalagyan ng wallet, and other stuff, mga ganyan, knickknacks, ganun. And yung mas maliit pa, the mini, cute din yun. Lahat sila cute actually. But this one, pang beach, yung kinuha ko. Going back, for the scarf alone, super mahal niya. Feeling ko, konti na lang dadagdag ko. Pwedeng kunin ko na yung tatlong sizes nito, right? So, hindi ko siya pinush. Nagkataon na sale sa isang establishment. That's the reason why nakuha ko to. And matchy-matchy yung color. And I'm going to show you, alam mo yun, yung transformation ng bag na to. Kasi if you're going to use it ng ganyan lang, walang buhay, guys. Kailangan, kasi it cannot stand alone. Kailangan talaga niya ng framework para maganda siya tignan. Like kung susuotin niyo siya ng wala lang, Okay, I'll show you para you have an idea. Okay? Okay, this is how it looks kapag walang structure or anything sa loob. Yan. So, walang buhay, guys. Diba? Yan. Okay, so napakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng bag na to pag walang kahit na ano inside. Like, wala siyang framework. Ganun lang talaga siya. Net bag lang talaga. So, I feel like boring. So, right now, let's transform this bag into something extra. Okay? So, ito yung scarf na binili ko from Plain and Prince. Nag-sale kasi sila ng 50%. I think I got this one for 300 pesos. So, feeling ko sulit na. Kasi kapag sa mga department store, mahal din. So, what I'm gonna do is, ganito lang, guys. Kada dulo, gaganyan ko lang siya until dun sa middle. Kasi, syempre, kailangan dun sa middle, diba? And then, gagawin ko rin siya dito sa kabila. Yan. Okay? Until makagawa ako ng ganito. Ganyan. Okay? Kita nyo, guys? Tapos, para lang mabilis tayo, lalagyan ko siya ng something inside. Okay? Like a pillow. So, lalagyan ko siya para makita lang natin yung tsura, ha? Para hindi tayo mahirapan. Ganyan. Alright? And then, let's put it inside of this bag. Okay? So, lalagay ko yan ganyan sa loob. And then, yan. Diba? So, ganitong magiging itsura niya, guys. You have an option kung gusto niyo ng top handle lang, yung maliit na handle. Pwede niyong itago tong malaki inside. So, ganitong magiging itsura niya, diba? So, ganyan. Diba? Mas cute siya into something. Or, diba nakaganyan nakalabas? Pwede niyo siyang ito. Pwede niyo dito sa labas. Ilagay niyo dito sa net. Tapos, dun niyo i-close sa labas. Alam niyo yun? Para hindi siya gumagalaw inside. Yan. And then, pwede nyo ditong i-close. So, yeah. That is just an example on how I do it. Para lang hindi siya nagmo-move. So, yung isang kabila, gagawin ko rin. Mabilisan na to. So, syempre, sa totoong buhay, ayusin natin. Para mapakita natin lang dito sa demo. Kasi, time is gold. So, there. Yan. Para hindi rin kayo mahirapang maglagay inside, 'di ba? So, 'yon, nandun yung unan. Pero in reality, tanggalin natin yung unan. Maglagay tayo ng notebook inside. Syempre, yun yung parang magiging framework niya inside, 'di ba? And then maglagay tayo ng napakalaking wipes. Para rin makita niyo yung itsura, guys. Para rin malaman niyo what are the things that you can fit inside, diba? So, grabihan na to. Damihan na natin. What do you call this? Kikay kit or makeup. So, yan. Diba? Nagkaroon na siya ng body. See? Super nice. Siyempre, usin natin yung twilly, diba? Inside. O, diba? Okay, now, I'm gonna show you how it looks ng may laman. Actually, pwede rin pala dito ang bag organizer, guys. If you have a bag organizer, okay din siya. Na ilagay dito inside nung twilly or nung scarf. Para at least ilalagay nyo na lang yung gamit nyo. So, that's a very good idea, actually. So, bibili ako ng ano tawag dito? Bag organizer, ganon. So, this is how it looks. Using this long strap. It's not adjustable, actually. It is what it is. And for your reference, I'm 5'2" in height. And ganito siya kahaba sa akin. So, there. You can also use this two small handles. Pwede nyo itago to inside na pwede nyo ilagay dito. There. Or, pwede rin naman na hawakan nyo lang siya ganyan. Like using that. So, yeah. Those are the ways on how you can use this Longchamp Le Pliage Filet. Okay, so dito na tayo sa exciting part. My thoughts about this bag. this cute bag. Super nagagandahan ako talaga sa color. First, yes, sige. Let's discuss the color. They have a lot of colors to choose from for this specific design. They have the white, black, meron pa nga atang like parang yung chalk, like it's not really white pero may pagka-beige ng konti. And then they have the lemon, which is the yellow. They have this one, the peach, red, navy blue, and nakita ko rin recently meron na silang light pink. So I feel like you have a lot of colors to choose from. So nakita natin to sa Emily in Paris, which is yung yellow. Pero ako siguro masasuggest ko go on sa color na gusto nyo, kung ano yung personality because that what sets you apart. Like ako, I like Emily in Paris, lalo na si Emily because dahil sa passion, like you know, mga fashion statement, ang ganda talaga ng mga combination, yung hindi natin in-expect na color, ay pag sinuot niya, ay carry pala, swak pala, ang ganda tignan. Pero ako normally, I don't go on that trend. What I'm trying to say is, yes, na-influence niya ako sa long champ na lip pliage na fillet, pero not really 100% na mag-go ako sa yellow because I feel like para sa akin nung nakita ko yung mga available colors, ito talaga yung nag-stand out sa akin. So, syempre kahit na love ko si Emily, ito talaga, pinili ko kung ano yung gusto ko. So, dapat kayo din ganon. Like, parang piliin nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo at swak sa personality nyo. Hindi yun, gagayahin lang natin yun because nakita natin or na-influence tayo. You can, well, that's just my own opinion. Pero if you wanted to go 100% na katulad nila, that's not also a problem. Yung sa akin lang kasi is, may nangyari na kasi sa akin experience na ganyan na I go 100% pero nung dumating sa akin, okay, hindi pala bagay sa akin. So, dapat pala, ito yung pinili ko. You know what I mean? So, yun. But anyway, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Magpo-provide lang naman ako ng thoughts about this bag. Second would be, like, yung design and yeah, yung style. Again, this is not, for me, hindi siya yung super versatile na bag and all. Because, nung nakita ko siya, okay, carry siya sa OOTD, pang beach, ganon. So, pero hindi siya yung talagang, yung sa totoong buhay na gagamitin natin siya araw-araw. Kasi namimili din siya eh. You cannot easily match it with your clothes. Talagang may binabagaan, especially the color that I chose. Talagang mamimili siya ng kulay. Hindi siya pang daily nagamitan, hindi rin siya pang work bag, pero pwede, nasa inyo na lang siya. So that's the reason why sinabi ko na hindi siya ganun ka-versatile. In terms of price, sa price na nakuha ko, I feel like reasonable na siya. But if this will go beyond 9,000, siguro magdadalawang isip ako because that kind of amount, makakukuha na ako ng Coach Retail na leather. Because this one, it's cotton. And then, although meron din naman siyang leather na ganyan, but yung material niya is cotton. And also, I feel like yung disadvantage nito is, hindi mo siya pwedeng labahan. Nung una, pwede pala siyang labahan, pero kasi may leather siya. So, masisira naman yung leather kung lalabahan mo to. Hindi naman pwede na ganyan lang siguro. Like, pwede, pero ihang mo yung leather. Pwede din siguro, be resourceful, no? Pero, yun nga, going back, ito din, yung cons niya would be, kailangan din maging extra careful sa mga stain, sa mga dumi, kasi, yun nga, pag mahihirapan tayong labahan siya, kapag nadumihan, so, kailangan natin siyang i-store ng maayos, and also kapag, like, nagupit, or nahigit, ano pang pwede mangyari dito, sumabit, tapos nasira, so, it would be difficult, you know, to fix. Also, kapag binili nyo tong bag, siya lang talaga, wala siyang kasamang twilly or scarf. And mas maganda talaga, I would recommend if you will get this long pliage fillet, get a twilly kasi mas maganda talaga siya at bumili na rin kayo ng bag organizer para mas ma-organize nyo. Kasi pag yun lang, the bag will not stand alone. So parang feeling ko, hindi mapapakita talaga yung full potential and yung ganda ng bag. So yun, but again, it's up to you if you will, you know, follow my recommendation. Pero yun lang yung sa akin. Okay? So yeah, what else? Personally, worth it siya kasi again, dun sa amount or dun sa price na nakuha ko. At the same time, fashionable. Again, magiging fashion statement to sa OOTD nyo sa beach, like white na dress lang and then sleeper. Tapos ito, di ba, pak na and then we have shades. So, yeah, beach, beach, beach. Yun. Yeah, for me, it's worth it. Pero, kung mahal, I think wag na lang siguro. Kasi meron pa namang mga other option na mas mura. Pero ang ganda guys. Ang ganda ng color talaga. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. At, nag-agree din yung mga dogs namin. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you again for staying with me until the end, and I hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up if you do. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe also. If you have this kind of bag, please comment below ano yung mga experience nyo, cons, pros about this bag. And also, if you're eyeing for this bag, nagustuhan nyo ba? Anong color yung gusto nyong bilhin? So, share nyo naman sa akin. And yeah, I'll talk to you again next time, Glummates. Bye for now!